Hi everyone, my name's Julia Gifford, and today I'm going to be showing you how I, as an extremely busy person, organize my to-do list. I am the co-founder of an agency of 5 people. We work with over 40 clients and campaigns in a year, so we have a ton of work to be done. On top of that, I'm also the editor of a startup news platform. In other words, I have a lot of work on my plate. So I have developed over the years a meticulous to-do system, and I'm going to introduce you to it. It's super easy, it doesn't require fancy software, anyone can do it, and it works. So let's dive in. The first step is to take a look at our monthly task list. In a simple Google Doc, which is on the cloud, available to everyone, we just have a running list of clients as well as the tasks that we have for them every month. So at the beginning of every month, we talk to our clients, figure out what the tasks will be, and we write them down. And when they are written down, then we each go through the task list and highlight which tasks we want to take. So each one of us has a different color and we highlight the tasks that we want. So when I have my highlighted tasks, then I move into my personal to-do list section. And I personally use Bear app for this, but you could use anything. You don't even need to use an app. You could use just like a notebook, like a notepad on your computer, on your phone. But I really like Bear. They have the ability to have these little check boxes, which I really enjoy checking them off. For example, if I check something off, then it just strikes it through. Here you see my July task dump. So I've written out the month by week. So you see week 0, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Quick break before we move on. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. This is a place where we publish productivity tips and hacks and insight to make your work life better, more productive, and more long-term sustainable. So subscribe for more videos like this if you're enjoying it. Back to the video. I go in and I fill out week 1 through week 4 with all of the tasks that I know about. And I usually put more tasks in the first week, a little bit fewer tasks in the second, even less still in the third, and the least in week 4. And why do I do that? Well, the reasoning is that life is unpredictable and there's always new tasks that pop up. Having fewer tasks in the certain week leaves more time to fill in with the ad hoc stuff that will inevitably pop up, because believe you me, it will happen. Once you have your weeks filled out like I do here, so you can see week 1 is the heaviest, week 2 is a little bit less, and then less and less. So we're going to week 0, which is this week, and what I will do is I will make a new section called Today, and I'll highlight it. I'll choose a few tasks from my week section that I want to accomplish today and be realistic about it and not go overboard. So today I know that we are going to be filming, for example. Okay, so I'll put that under today. And then I also want invoices and reports because it's the first day of the month. So that way I have these 3, and then when I've completed one, then I check it off, it strikes through automatically. And then at the end of the day, I would take these 3, I would copy them into the next kind of the week 0. That way I end up having a running tally of the tasks I've done. And if a new task pops up throughout the day or throughout the week, I just add it. So, you know, new task. By the end of the month, so for example, this is a month before, then I've got, you know, my week 1 looks like that, my week 2, and then you've just got this running tally of what your month has looked like, and that's really helpful. This will certainly be a system that will help you keep tabs of what you're doing, and more importantly, deliver on time, on schedule, which is very important for anyone who wants to put their best foot first and leave a good impression. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this, and if you did, I would be happy to share more productivity tips that I use myself on a daily basis. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.